Hello, and welcome to another video. Today we're going to make donuts. You knew it was inevitable. We were eventually going to make donuts because donuts are good. Okay, here's all the ingredients. Here we have the 2 cups of flour, the 3/4 cups of sugar, 3/4 cups buttermilk, 2 tablespoons melted butter, 2 eggs, beaten. We'll get back to that. And then our spices. 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Let's mix the dry ingredients together. Okay, now we'll add the rest. Oh yeah. Let's do it. And done. All right, let's mix those in too. Okay, when you're done, it should have a consistency kind of like that. Kind of like of a wet dough. Now, we need a pan. Oh, there's one. Okay. This pan I just picked up at, I can't even tell you, it was either Walmart or Meijer. I'm pretty sure it was Walmart, and I think it was between 10 and 15 bucks. And we have used this quite a bit to make donuts for work. I used it to make donuts to give away for Christmas. It is a Wilton. Don't know what else I can tell you about it. Usually I don't have to put anything in here. They don't usually stick. If you want to, you can put a little bit of butter. Just like that. I just used a little bit of the melted butter that was left over here. Like I said, this non-stick pan, shouldn't really have to worry about it. Okay, so you're going to fill these up, each about 2/3 of the way full, and then bake it for 7 to 9 minutes, or until the top edge springs back. Then you want to let it cool in here for about 4 to 5 minutes before you pop them out, and then top them however you want. We like powdered sugar. I'll show you. Let me get this in here. Now, once you have them full, I like to kind of just push it off the center a little bit. And don't worry, if you fill more than 2/3 of the way full, it's okay. It'll just make a little bit larger donuts. Okay, now let's put them in that preheated oven that's over there at 425. Okay, and there they are. Okay, you know how I said you didn't have to butter them? It's been since Christmas since I made these, and guess what? Butter them. When you don't, they tend to fall apart. It still looks good on that side. People still eat it. Still good. But when you do butter them, you have the nice, perfect powdered sugar. The recipe does make 12, so 2 pans worth. The other thing is, with that pan, I always try to wash it in between baking sessions. Just a quick wash off, just get it clean, do it again. It'd be a lot nicer if I had 2 of those pans, and then you could rotate them in and out. Alright, well, I guess that wraps this video up. Donuts are a success. Guess I'll try not to eat them all myself. Maybe I'll save that one for somebody. Alright, the recipe will be down in the description as usual. So again, if you liked my video, click like. If this is the first time you've seen one of my videos and you'd like to see more, click subscribe. Thanks, and remember, we'll get through this. We're all in it together.